Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Minecraft in Infinite Craft. So let's get into the video. So open up Infinite Craft. So once you're here, when you're ready, so you're going to start off with fire. So click on fire and then add it with water. That will give you steam, and then steam, add it with fire. You will get an engine. So once you get an engine, so just leave that as it is there. We're going to go and get some earth here and then add it with earth, add it with fire, and then it will give you a lava. So lava, add it with water. You will get a stone, and then this stone you can add it with wind, and that will give you a sand. So once you get this sand will be added with your engine here, and that's going to give you a sandbox. And then once you get a sandbox, you're going to just leave it as it is, and then just get some, go to earth and then add it with wind. It'll give you dust, add it with earth. That will give you a planet, and then this planet, add it with your sandbox here, and that will give you a Minecraft, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.